Does Philips Smart TV support AirPlay? Yes, many Philips Smart TVs support AirPlay, particularly newer Android and Google TV models. AirPlay allows users to wirelessly stream videos, music, and mirror screens from an iPhone, iPad, or Mac directly to the TV. However, some older Philips Smart TVs may not have native AirPlay support. 1. AirPlay 2. Support in Philips Smart TVs. Many newer Philips Smart TVs come with AirPlay 2 support, enabling seamless streaming from Apple devices. This feature is common in Philips OLED, Mini LED, and Ambilight TVs running on Google TV or Android TV. 2. How to check if your Philips Smart TV supports AirPlay. To confirm if your Philips TV has AirPlay, press the Home button on your remote. Go to Settings, then Connectivity, then Apple AirPlay. If AirPlay is listed, enable it and follow the setup instructions. If no AirPlay option appears, your TV may not support it natively. 3. How to use AirPlay on a Philips Smart TV. To stream content using AirPlay, ensure your Apple device and Philips TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. On your iPhone or iPad, open the Control Center. Tap Screen Mirroring and select your Philips TV from the list. Enter the AirPlay code if prompted. Your Apple device's screen or selected content will now display on the TV. 4. Alternatives. If your Philips TV does not support AirPlay. If your Philips Smart TV does not have built-in AirPlay, you can still stream Apple content using Apple TV Box, connects via HDMI, and provides full AirPlay functionality. Google Chromecast allows streaming from iOS devices via Chromecast-enabled apps. Third-party AirPlay apps. Some apps available on Philips Android TVs enable AirPlay-like functionality. 5. Benefits of AirPlay on a Philips Smart TV. Seamless streaming from Apple devices without cables. Screen mirroring for presentations, games, and videos. Multi-room audio support with AirPlay 2. High-quality streaming without losing resolution or lag. Many new Philips Smart TVs support AirPlay, making it easy to stream from Apple devices. If your TV does not have native AirPlay, using an Apple TV, Chromecast, or third-party app can offer similar functionality.